Hi, my name is Art. I teach Python, and in this video I'm going to show you how to solve a very popular problem called anagrams. So first of all, what are anagrams? Anagrams would be words that got same count of letters. All right. So let me show you how you could solve this one. So first thing first, let's create a variable named word and ask a user for input. All right, so you know what input does. So and write something like give me a word. All right. So then when we get this word, we would need to use a for loop for letter in word, and then by the way, we didn't initialize the dictionary here. So dictionary, how would we initialize the dictionary? So we need to use curly brackets. All right, so now what we're going to do next, each letter will be a key, and number of times we see that letter would be a value. So for example, if letter in dictionary, so suppose we already seen the dictionary letter, so then we'll do plus equal 1, so we'll increase the value. Else we'll just do dictionary letter 1, so then the value would be 1. All right, and if you want to see what dictionary looks like now, I'm going to show it to you here. Just bear with me for a second. Just want to make sure that you could see this. All right, so if I run this and suppose we get apple, so now you see what it does. It creates a dictionary and count how many times each letter appears in that word. Now since we want to compare two or more words, we need to wrap it as a function. So how would we create this as a function? Let me zoom out a little bit so you could see it. So it's going to be def, and let's call this word to dictionary. And this function will take word as an argument. Make sure you got indentation in the right place, and then we want to return something, and we want to return dictionary. So then, since we need to compare two words as anagrams, so that's going to be word and word 1. All right, and then what I want to do next, I want to call this function word to dictionary that returns a dictionary and pass their word by word, and so then we could compare these dictionaries and we could say something like this: if dictionary from word 1 would be the same as from dictionary that we could create from word 2, so then these two would be print, you could say words are anagrams. All right, else, because there are just two options, else then you want to print, and we could say something not anagrams. All right, so if I run it and if I do that and add, because these two anagrams, oops, we get an error, word 2 is not defined. All right, because you see I made a mistake, so this is supposed to be word 2 here. All right, let me rerun this, add, and then that, and now you see words are anagrams. So again, if you want to do something over and over again, wrap it as a function. And what is a function? Function is a block of reusable code. Thank you.